everyone. Today we are going to talk about the ratio theorem, a fundamental concept in mathematics that helps us determine the proportions between the parts of a given ratio. Let's start with an example to better understand its application. Example 1. Imagine you have 4 apples and 6 bananas. To find the proportion of apples to bananas, we can use the ratio theorem. Step 1. Identify the given ratio. In this case, the ratio is 4 to 6. Step 2. Understand the meaning of the given ratio. In this example, the ratio indicates that there are 4 apples for every 6 bananas. Step 3. Now, we need to find the value of the unknown ratio, which will give us the proportion of apples to bananas. To do this, we can divide the number of apples 4 by the number of bananas 6 in the given ratio. Since both numbers have a common divisor, we can divide them without the fraction. Step 4. Divide the number of apples 4 by the number of bananas 6, where 6 equals 1.2. Step 5. Simplify the ratio. Since the ratio is now simplified to 1.2, we can remove the fraction from the numerator and the denominator. Step 6. Finalize the ratio. The simplified ratio is now 1.2, which represents the proportion of apples to bananas. In this example, we found that there are 1.2 apples to 1 banana. This ratio can also be represented as 12:10, meaning there are 12 apples for every 10 bananas. So, to recap, the ratio theorem allows us to determine the proportions between the parts of a given ratio by simplifying the given ratio and finding the unknown ratio. Remember to always practice and understand the meaning of the given ratio before applying the theorem.